Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and today I am back with an unboxing of Paige Evans' Turn the Page Project Life Kit. She shared this on Instagram probably 3-4 weeks ago, and she had a little contest where you could win a kit. Well, I liked it so much from what I saw because it has lots of cute cards with sentiments, and you know that I love to use this type of stuff to make quick, easy cards. So I didn't try to enter it, I just went ahead and ordered it. So what I thought I would do today is go through and show you each of the cards that is in this kit. And who knows, maybe you'll want to get it for yourself to make some cards. My plan is in July is to try a card a day series. Now, full disclosure, it's July 2nd, so I'm a little bit behind, but hopefully I can catch up. So I was going to start with this kit for my cards. In this kit, you get 180 pieces. 60 of those are 4x6 cards. Each of the 4x6 cards has 5 copies, so 5 of the same design, front and back. And you get 120 3x4 cards. These are 4 copies of each. Again, same thing, front and back. So today in the video, I will be showing you one of each card. And make sure to let me know below if you have any questions as you watch the video, and I'll try to get back to you just as soon as I can. But let's go ahead and see what's in here. First, I'm going to share the 4x6 cards. I'll show you the front, of course, and then flip it over to the back. And on to the 3x4 cards. I hope you enjoyed that look at each of the cards in this Project Life kit. If you did, I hope you'll give the video a thumbs up. Now, as a little thank you for watching through the entire video, I am going to give away one of each of the cards, so everything I showed in this video, to one subscriber. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, and you'll want to click on the notification bell. This is how you're going to enter. You have to be 18 years old. You need to live in the United States or have a United States shipping address. And you, of course, have to be a subscriber. To enter, all you need to do is like this video and leave a comment below. It can say anything, and then in that comment, you need to include the hashtag Card a Day in July with Crafty Al. And I will pop that up on the screen so you don't have to try to remember all that. I will leave this giveaway open until July 9th. I will post the winner around July 11th or 12th. And once I posted that video, the winner will have 7 days to contact me and claim the prize. So make sure to hit the notification bell so you know when I announce the winner. I will be back starting tomorrow to share my cards that I create with this kit. Not all the cards in July will use this, but I am going to start with it. As always, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.